Hey beauty, so cut to the chase. So we're using Lumiere's Hair today to show you guys how to cut your very own lace. Super easy, you guys, I promise. So all you need is just basic shears or just regular scissors, and that's pretty much all you need. Alright you guys, so what you're going to be doing is basically cutting from side to side, and what I like to do is leave that little tab for your edges by your ear, because we're going to get to that last, but you're going to go ahead and cut along the line of your hairline, your natural hairline that is. I usually like to do this with my wig off my head, but that's if you're advanced. But for now, for beginners, hence to why you're watching this video, you can go ahead and just get familiar with your own hairline and cut along your natural hairline, so therefore you can get the most natural look ever. What I was saying here is take your time, you guys. There's no rush. You do not have to rush. I cannot stress this enough. Alright you guys, so over here I'm just showing you guys how to cut out this placement around the ear. You want to make sure you take your time while doing this, because if you don't, lace will pop up. So take your time, make sure that lace lays very flat around this area. Afterwards, I'm just going straight into styling this hair. Now you guys always see this routine throughout all my videos, so it's nothing new. All the products that I'm using at this point will be listed down below in the description bar, along with every detail about this gorgeous hair. I know lots of you guys are already thinking while watching this video, what do you really think about this hair, Chanel? Could you tell me what you think about it? You guys, I give this hair an 8 out of 10, and I only give it an 8 out of 10 because of the lace. The lace color was super stubborn. That's the only downside I seen out of this wig, out of this hair. Hair texture was amazing, didn't get no shedding. Customer service was bomb, which is really important to me. Now for the price, girl, it all differs, because Lumiere Hair do offers a service where you can go ahead and get your hair customized. So it all differs from the length to whether or not you want closure or frontal. The price all differs on what you would like on your very own wig. So if you would like to know how much your wig would cost, you would have to go ahead and click the link in the bio, browse around and see what would you like, and then you'll know what's the price. But yeah, you guys, the texture though and everything else is totally worth it. This is one that you cannot miss out on.
That's good.
So this is the finished look, girl. I'm not doing any more. I mean, straighten it, easy to go, and I'm out the door. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, all details will be listed down below. Remember to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. And like always, till next time.